Okay, now in this video we will learn how to hack a WPA2 and or WPA encryption ways. I mean, we will learn Wi-Fi hacking in this video. So I'm going to use Kali machine as my attacker machine. So this is my Kali machine. I'm going to use this, and I'm using one adapter called TP-Link, and you can also use any adapter, but it should definitely want to support the monitor mode. Okay, so now at present I'm going to crack the Wi-Fi of this one of the network as I have connected here. So for this Realme 52, this is the one of the password, this is one of the hotspot, and this is my mobile. So I'm going to crack this hotspot password, and I'm going to show you that how much the powerful aircrack ng tool is, right? So, okay, first of all, I'm getting into the terminal, and then I'm going to see whether my Wi-Fi adapter is showing in my Kali machine or not. So, to see that, iwconfig is the command we have to enter, and then we can see here it and wireless no extension. So, and we also see into the ifconfig. Ifconfig also it was not showing. Okay, so we need to connect it. I will plug in my Wi-Fi adapter here as just a minute. So as we can see here, right, my Wi-Fi is connecting, and I have just plugged in my Wi-Fi router, and it was connected to the Realme 5. As we can see here. So I'm going to turn off this wide connect, and we can see the wireless adapter symbol. And actually I don't want to connect because we there is no need to connect with adapter to any networks. Okay, this Wi-Fi hacking can be done without connecting to any network. So just for the purpose of showing here whether the adapter is enabled or not, I'm just connected to my mobile. Okay, so ifconfig, if I enter ifconfig, so we can see here WLAN. WLAN is my network interface of the adapter. Okay, so this is my IP address, and inet6, this is IPv6 address, and this is the MAC address of my adapter. So if I enter iwconfig, also we can see here WLAN, but the mode is managed mode. I told you that to hack to crack the password of hotspot or any Wi-Fi network or access points, we need to enable monitor mode in the adapter. So to enable monitor mode in the adapter, I'm going to use command ifconfig WLAN 0 and down. First of all, I'm going to down the adapter. So as you can see here, it will disconnect down, and I have down the ifconfig. Then I'm going to enable into the uh, first of all I will check all the kills. Okay, airmon check kill, it will kill all the processes running of the Wi-Fi, and you can see here my Wi-Fi has been disappeared. So it was killed successfully. Now iw config wlan wlan 0 mode monitor. Okay, so as we can see here, I by upping icon if config WLAN 0 up. Now I am going to up the service. So if I print iw config here, iw config, so then in the then in the after entering the command iwconfig, so we can see here WLAN in the monitor mode. Okay, so here in the monitor mode, in the previous we if in the previous that it were in the manager mode. Right now it was in the monitor mode. So the monitor mode has been enabled successfully. So right now I am going to scan the access points and any Wi-Fi's available to check whether any Wi-Fi's or any access points is available around surround my network or not. So arrow dump ng, and then WLAN 0 is my network interface. Then I'm going to enter. So we can see here these two access points are available, and the name is King is one of the hotspot, and Realme is one of the hotspot, as you can see. So right now I'm going to crack for this Realme mobile, and just check whether the note down the BSS ID and the channel number. So I'm going to copy this BSS ID, and the channel is one. Remember the channel name. So to the for the further process, we need this BSS ID and the channel number. That's it. So I'm going to next, in the next step, I'm going to check whether how many devices connect to this Realme, so that I can attempt to a deauth. When the deauth has been successfully attempted, then the user will try to get a reconnect to the hotspot, and then immediately we can capture the handshake by the this total concept is called three-way handshaking, as we discussed in the earlier. So right now I'm going to stop this process, and then I'm going to enter arrow dump command, arrow dump ng, and then bssid. Then I'm going to paste the bss id of the target device, target hotspot device. Then I'm going to enter here channel, and the channel is 1, and then w is for write. So I'm going to write this as course 1, course 1. Okay, so then next my interface LAN 0, I'm going to enter, I'm going enter, and here we can able to see how many devices has been connected to my network device. Okay, so as I have connected to the same Wi-Fi device, same hotspot on my physical device. So as we can see here, the physical device. So right now I'm going to deauth this specific one. If you want to deauth a specific device from the hotspot, then copy the BSS ID, paste this BSS ID, paste the BSS ID, and copy the MAC address. This is the MAC address. Then copy this MAC address in the next command. So only this device will get disconnect from this network. Okay, if you want to target only for this device. So if assume that if 10 devices were connected to this only Realme 5 hotspot, so if you want to deauth only one member, and you can do by this manner, by this manner, by copying the MAC address, just paste their MAC address in the next command. I will know you the next command. In the next command you have to enter only this MAC address. If not, you want to deauth all the members, all the connected devices, then it's fine. Use, I'm going to deauth all the members, but anyway I'm going to copy this for the sake of security, because as I will show you that both ways. So I'm going to next in the next way, next step, I'm going to open new window. So in this new window, I'm going to enter one of the command, that airplay ng, and then deauth. I'm going to send 1500 packets for deauth, and a paste the BSS ID, and the BSS ID will be this, right? So copy this BSS ID and paste it. So it was not pasting, just a minute. Copy this and just paste the BSS ID. Okay, and then paste it. Okay, fine. The BSS ID has been successfully pasted here. And the next, see, then here, as I told, to deauth a specific device, then enter their MAC address here. If not, enter the form of MAC address, as the MAC will be in the form of this FFFF. Okay, FFFFF. So there will be 6. And next, select the select the interface WLAN, and WLAN 0. I'm going to enter destination MAC address. Okay, just a minute. Now I'm going to enter. Okay, fine. The deauth has been sent, and if we can see here, the my network, my device will be disconnect. As we can see, it will take some time, might be. So we will see. Okay, so here we received a handshake. Okay, whether it is fine working, and we received, our main motto is to receive handshake, and here we have received the handshake, and right now I'm going to stop this deauth. So okay, stop. The deauth has been stopped, and right now, okay, so we received handshake. Our main motto is to receive handshake, and we received the handshake. Right now we have to crack this handshake. So the next command is, after receiving the handshake, it is only, it is easy to crack. Actually our main motto in this Wi-Fi hacking is to receive the handshake, because this handshake contain the password of the hotspot. Okay, so air crack ng, and then file name will be course.1. Let we will see whether the file name is course.1 or not. So here we can see course.1 cap. So this is the file name. Okay, so the command is air crack ng, file name will be course 101 dot cap. Only here there is extensions have been, there is much more extensions, cve, kismet, and kismet.net xml, and log.cvs, but we have to use only cap file to crack that. So I'm going to use, and then I'm going to use pass.txt, one of the file name, and parameter w, and pass pass.txt. This is the password list I'm going to use. And if I enter here, so we can see here, specify a dictionary file. So we need to use here dictionary file as pass.txt, and yeah, I have here pass.txt will be my dictionary file here. Okay, passw, passwd.txt. Okay, fine. Just a small wd has been missed here. sswd.txt, enter. So here we can see, within a fraction of seconds we got the password, shadow devil. Exactly, this is my password, and we got the password of that hotspot. Then we can easily get connect to that hotspot, and we can use the Wi-Fi. So this is overall about the Wi-Fi hacking, and we got here shadow devil, and we have successfully cracked the WPA2 encryption. WPA by WPA2 encryption, both are same here actually. So we have done with Wi-Fi hacking, and in the next further videos we will see, with using different type of tools we can hack into Wi-Fi easily with using GUI. This is a total command based tool, right? Aircrack is command based, and we need to uh, remember the commands. So here in the next video we will discuss and we will see the tutorial of the GUI tools.